Simple, easy Crockpot Mississippi roast recipe. Go ahead and get out your large Crockpot and take off the lid. Add a 2 to 3 pound beef roast to your Crockpot. Season with 1 packet of ranch seasoning and then 1 packet of the beef onion soup mix. Next up, we're going to add some pepperoncinis. You can use the sliced ones or the whole ones, and then you're also going to add some of the juice too. Place your lid on your crock pot and then you'll cook on low for 8 hours. Now that your roast is done cooking, go ahead and remove your lid off your crock pot and then use 2 forks and shred it. If you have a bone in the middle of yours like I did, you can go ahead and remove that too. If you like recipes like this, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment below, and follow for more recipes.